Hello, my wonderful friends. Today, I'm here to introduce you to Griffith University International Student Scholarship. So, today we'll be taking you through this university and the advantage of studying in this university, the courses which they offer, and the scholarships which are available. Well, if you come to Griffith, you can decide to study a third program or a research program. So it's up to you to decide what you want to do. But whether you're going through studying a third program or research program, there are scholarships available for you. I mean, it's quite difficult to study in Griffith University without finding any scholarship which is suitable for you. There are fully funded scholarship, there are partially funded scholarship, which means you can get scholarship up to 15,000, 20,000, 75,000, 1,000, depending on what you're applying for, your qualifications and your performance, a number of other things, whether you're Australian or you're from outside of Australia. So Griffith University Australia is a great school. It has got reputations and remarks, positive remarks from here and there. So I will just take you through this very quickly so I can go through it. Well, if you want to go through research programs, then there are research programs available which are also funded, that you can actually get stipend and research fund for you to carry research. If you want to study third courses, that is also available. But I just want to show you a little of the courses which they offer so that you have a better understanding. They offer degrees in architecture, construction and planning, business and government, criminology and law, education, engineering, IT and aviation, humanities, language and social science, medicine, dysentery and health, music and performing arts, science and environment, visual and creative art, and a number of other courses. You can just hit up here to see all the courses they offer. I mean, these are just like some highlights which I've taken. So it is quite difficult for you to, find it difficult to get a good course to study in Griffith University. So you can just see these are the areas of studies, and you can see the whole degrees, about 325 results, acting, animation honors, blah blah blah. You can just go through them and see that they've got a lot to offer to you, whether it is engineering, it is IT, it is health, wherever it is, you're gonna find it here, and you'll be seeing the fees. Their fees are fairly not too expensive compared to Australian universities, and at the same time, there are a lot of scholarship opportunities to help you to offset these fees. So that is what makes it beautiful. So you can see if I keep going down, I will see a lot of wonderful courses, including social work, advanced science, urban planning, visual science, visual arts, clinical dysentery, medicine, languages, a lot of things you can ever think of. Well, let me not just bug you with all this, and let's go back to scholarship, which is our business for today. I will take you through the international scholarship and finance, and international scholarship available. You can come here to filter to see what you can actually apply for. For example, if you choose country of citizenship, it's going to filter what people from your country can apply to. If you choose enrollment status, commencing or continuing, you see what you can apply to. Study level, is it undergraduate, postgraduate, like master's or PhD and research. You also see what you can apply for. So whatever it is that you're choosing, it will help you. Okay, so but these are the scholarships available. They've got scholarship for Vice Chancellor International Scholarship. Like if you hit up this Vice Chancellor International Scholarship, you'll see what they've got here. They said award value 50% of tuition fees. We are proud to support outstanding international students through a range of scholarship. Duration is valid for your whole degree, subject to meeting ongoing eligibility criteria. So at any point you don't have to deviate, and the level of study is undergraduate and postgraduate coursework programs, and the start date is 2024, 25, and 26, so they're still valid now. And this eligibility criteria: to be eligible to apply, you must be a citizen of a country other than Australia or New Zealand. It's not for citizens, for international students. Have a minimum GPA in previous study of 6.0 or above on a 7-point scale or equivalent. Have received an offer to study at Griffith by the scholarship application closing date. Okay, Yeah, satisfy all academic and English language entry requirement for your chosen undergraduate or postgraduate coursework program. Be a full-time student starting in 2024, 2025, and 2026. Read the terms and conditions below to understand all of the requirements of this scholarship. So you can just hit up the apply now button and start filling up the application. Okay? Yeah, so this is the process. Apply to study an undergraduate or postgraduate coursework program at Griffith. Once you have your letter of offer, apply for the scholarship by the closing date. You will need to include academic record and a personal statement. If you meet all the eligibility requirements, University panel will review your application. We will let you know the outcome of your application. So apply to study. So first you need to complete an application form to study, and once you receive offer, before you can go over to apply for this scholarship. So that is how it works. Okay. Well, this is about receiving a scholarship, just what you need to know, but let me not bug you with that. This application closing dates, you can see if you're applying trimester 1, you have to apply by 2nd December, or this 2020. So yeah, trimester 2, you have to apply by 13th April, which is closed, and outcome will be by 3rd May. Trimester starts by 15th July. But for trimester 3, which is still open, you can apply by August 10, and the outcome is going to be by August 29, and studies start by 4th of November. That is the one which is still open. Okay, let me go back to the scholarships. You can see they have numerous scholarships. This 50%, and the next one is International Student Academic Excellence Scholarship, is 25% of tuition fee, and it is open for trimester 1, 2, 3, so it's still open. Okay, and no application is required. Once you apply for admission, they will just look at your credentials, your documents, and they will decide if you are going to meet up for this. So you don't need to apply for this actually. You can find out more about this here. Then they have the Jelly Direct Entry program. Also, no application is required, and this is valued up to $1,000 for outstanding Griffith English Language Institute Direct Entry Program students. And they've got another one, Griffith International Scholarship for Griffith College Diploma and Degree following completion of Griffith College Diploma. This 3,000, okay, no application is required. And numerous, I mean, I don't have to go through all of them, but you can just see them. Griffith Research Scholarship, okay, John Willett International Scholarship, Rotary Club of Southport, Cyril Richard AM International Scholarship. You can just go through them. Yeah, you can see some of them are closed, a few of them, but most of them are open, and some you have to go to an external website to apply. Okay. Yeah, there is another thing which is very wonderful about Griffith University. Let me see if I can just hit that up as quick as possible or not. If you go to Griffith University, you can actually apply for all scholarship in one click. I mean, without needing to, without needing to do separate scholarship. So if you come to here, scholarship and award, I just go there, you see that there is a one application for all scholarship. There is no need to apply for individual scholarship. Simply submit the form once each year, and you will be automatically considered for all of them. To find out more about our scholarship and their selection criteria, and see which you might be eligible for, search our scholarship list below. Okay, so once you do that, you can actually just do a click. You can just select all you need to do, maybe change your country or change something. And once you find the one which you're eligible, you can just do one form submission, and that take care of everything. Okay, then you can also see the collect the information. This checklist details everything you need to complete your application. Once you've collected this information, you are ready to apply. So hit up the checklist, see all the things you need, and keep them ready so that you can complete the application. Submit your application. That is the last stage to apply, which are available. You can see numerous courses you can study in Griffith, either master's, undergraduate, or bachelor's degree. PhD degree, you can also benefit from this scholarship. So guys, this is where I'm going to wrap it up, and I wish you the best of luck. I hope you're going to share this video. I hope you're going to like. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.